Hello. Hello, everyone. My name is Robert Mordzon from Web3 Pi. Today, I will show you something tiny but powerful. This device is Raspberry Pi 5-based computer, which is able to run full Ethereum node and also 200 mainnet Ethereum validator reliable. This talk is about how to make solo staking practical at home without sacrificing the effectiveness. Why do this at home? First, it strengthens decentralization. Many small independent operators make the network safer. Second, privacy. When your wallet or dApps connects to your own node, you minimize unnecessary data leakage. Third, cost and energy. A Raspberry Pi 5 is affordable, quiet, and frugal, consuming only about 6 watts of power. And finally, accessibility. A setup that fits on your desk makes it easy for more people to take apart. Web3 Pi makes it simple to run a full Ethereum node on energy-efficient devices like Raspberry Pi 5. The process is fully automated and well documented. We even have step-by-step video, so anyone, regardless of the technical skills, can do this at home. Out of the box, the system brings up the execution client, consensus clients, storage, monitoring, and a clean web interface. Web3 Pi is also solo staking ready. At today's stage, solo staking still requires a manual setup, but we're actively working to simplify that process while keeping you in control of your keys. Here's our core claim. We've been running a long-term test for over a year on one Raspberry Pi 5 with NVMe storage acting as a full node. We're hosting 200 mainnet validators. That's 6,400 ETH in total. Isn't it crazy? Our client combo is Geth for execution and Nimbus for consensus, tuned carefully with MEV boost support. The results? Attestation effectiveness on par with mainstream servers in our measurements. The goal is not to win the benchmark race. It's to show that the low-power device, quiet device, can perform reliable at scale when designed with care. What makes it work? First, a quality NVMe storage. Fast and consistent I/Os really matters. Good thermals, quiet airflow, and stable clock. Mid overclocking only where it's safe. Linux tuning, optimized swapped memory, lightweight service stack, and dedicated monitoring daemons. And of course, wise client choices. We favor Geth plus Nimbus because their footprint fits very well on low-power devices. No magic here, just solid engineering and attention to details. To be a dependable validator, you must survive the boring failures. For power failure, we use custom built uninterrupted power supply. This small device, roughly the size of the Raspberry Pi. So the power outages don't cause corruption, and the shutdowns are clean. For internet failure, we add automatic failover. So when the primary ISP blips, the node automatically switches to the backup over the built-in Wi-Fi. We run also health checks and safe auto restarters for key services. Operators need calm, not chaos. Web3 Pi offers a web interface for status, logs, and safe actions. There is an optional remote tunneling for offsite checks, privacy aware and minimal. Our update system keeps the node and OS and clients updated without drama. And Our documentation is written for real humans, step-by-steps, with diagrams, and no good defaults. Today, this gives you a credible path for solo staking with tiny power draw. You also gain a trustworthy full node for your wallet and decentralized application. It's your traffic, your rules. Looking ahead, if the 32 ETH threshold even drops, accessibility will increase dramatically, and this kind of setups will become even more appealing for the solo stakers. Next, on our roadmap, we plan to finalize our custom uninterrupted power supply and tighten power path behavior, harden internet failover, and add more self-tests so the issue will be caught early. Streamline validators onboarding while keeping the process safe. In our project, we are trying to make user experience as seamless as possible, and expand our client combinations and documentation so operators can make informed choices. To close, let me repeat the main message. Web3 Pi makes Ethereum node deployment easy. Tiny box, big Web3. We have our stand at the main hall. I would be happy to show you the device and talk about all the details. So thank you very much. I'm Robert, and you can find everything on our website, web3pi.io. We still have like 2 minutes, so if someone of you have some questions, this is the right moment to ask.